Can a $5,000 used bike really hang with or even beat Superbikes that cost triple the price? Sounds like clickbait, right? But today we're putting a budget beast to the test. And what we discovered might just flip the motorcycle world upside down. Our budget contender, a well-maintained 2006 Suzuki GSX R750. Bought for just under $5,000. Lightweight, agile, reliable, and packing 140 horsepower. Sure, it's not new, but don't underestimate it. This machine still rips. Now let's talk about the giants. Yamaha R1, BMW S1000 R5, Ducati Panigale V2. All of them are modern marvels, but they come at a price around $15,000 or more used. More tech, more power, sure, but more speed in the real world? That's what we're testing. We hit the twisties, the straightaways, and city streets. And guess what? That old GSX-R kept up just fine. In tight corners, it was actually quicker thanks to lighter weight and less intimidating power. Unless you're on a racetrack, the differences shrink. Here's the hidden win: maintenance. The GSX-R costs way less to maintain and insure. Parts are cheap, mods are everywhere, and you don't stress dropping it. Meanwhile, every scratch on a Panigale feels like a mortgage payment. If you're a newer rider or you want real-world fun without bankruptcy, this kind of used sport bike is gold. Fast enough to thrill, cheap enough to crash, and reliable enough to ride every day. You don't need $15,000 to have a superbike experience. Sure, a new Panigale or S1000 RAR looks amazing, but don't sleep on the used market. For $5,000, you could have more fun than the guys flexing at bike night. Don't believe the price tag hype. What matters is how it rides. Smash like, drop your dream budget bike in the comments, and hit subscribe for more Ride Smart content.